This news now all the way from Ghana. Yes, all the way from Ghana, our motherland. E get one musician wey sabi sing love music. Now only love music he sabi sing, and he dey sing am well. He don come with one kind news wey be say if we even hear himself, we go surprise. Him talk say Ghanaian ladies no dey faithful at all. Say they no dey faithful at all, and this thing he talk am for inside one interview wey they do for am. Now he talk say Ghanaian ladies no even dey truthful, but no be we talk am o. More first watch this interview.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, tell me something.
Which is the truth in Ghana?
Tell me.
In Ghana right now, the ladies are unfaithful than the men.
Hey!
In Ghana right now.
The ladies are unfaithful than...
Unfortunately.
Hey, they will be there one.
No. You see, if you are in the limelight, it looks as if you're the BBA better also.
BB to say that.
Tell me, BB to say that. Make sure I'm there. Me, quite no. I love myself so much. And because of that, I did a song called Afraid to Lose You. And I'll never lose myself for anybody.
We don't watch this interview now. We don't see wetin this man talk. He talk say Ghanaian ladies no even dey truthful at all. Say even the men dey faithful. They even dey truthful past women. Say women sabi lie. Say we and Lai Muhammad, in fact, we be partners in crime. I can't dey wonder wetin then this woman do am, because we hear say he don marry 3 times, 3 good times, and he don divorce. Wetin dey happen wey be say only you dey marry, you dey break up 3 times? Wetin dey really happen for this relationship? Now you dey at fault, abi na the women na dey at fault? We suppose even know, we suppose even interview this lady sef, ask them say wetin dey happen? Na this man dey at fault, though himself dey blame himself, say maybe because him be musician and he too no dey get time for the women, na him make things dey always happen. But him claim na be say ladies sabi lie, they no dey truthful. Say we sabi do corner things, we no dey even talk true at all. Say everything wey we dey bring na 419 things. And even if everybody sef know say him dey truthful. Say every people sef wey don date before, if you ask them, they go talk say him be faithful guy, him be respectful guy. Say he no even get fault based on wetin him dey talk. We no fit talk now because we no know am well, but him dey talk say he no get fault. Say him be good person, him be better man. And we know say all this our celebrity, make we no lie, they no dey even stay inside marriage. So if it be say he get something wey this man dey do wey nobody dey like, abi wey the wife no dey like, na him make am, they dey leave am. But we no too know, because we no even fit talk now wetin make them this wife dey comot. And we go surprise sef say within 2 months now we go hear say he don marry another person again. Na so celebrity life dey be. They go marry today, leave that person today, go marry another person tomorrow. They no dey even shame. They get the money, they fit do the wedding anytime wey they like. Money dey, people dey, fan dey. If they invite them, they go come do the wedding. According to the even interview, him talk say ladies sabi lie, say we dey lie, me I no even fit come talk, because me sef I know say ladies sabi lie. When it comes to this relationship thing, we sabi lie things. Your man fit call you and ask you say where you dey, you go tell am say you dey for house. But by the time wey they go check you, you dey for another man house. So maybe na all these kind things in face. But me I still dey think am say na your 3rd marriage be this. It means say something dey happen. Either na you dey at fault, or na the woman dey at fault. Something must really dey happen for this marriage, because now we no too can even understand wetin dey really happen for your relationship. Now you don marry. You talk say you be good person, you be good person. Why the relationship dey break if you know say you be good person? If you know say you good like that, nothing suppose even dey affect your relationship. Your relationship suppose dey smooth, make it dey go well, make people dey enjoy am. Your family sef go dey happy. But this one now, everything don scatter. Everything apart from your love song, now only that place now we dey see say you dey express love. If you dey sing, now we dey feel say, oh yes, this love na real. But for real life, love no dey. All these things wey they talk say, some people if they dey house, na their love dey show. If they dey outside, you go see man and woman, they go outside, they go dey behave like say they love themselves. But make they enter house, they be cat and rat, they no even dey gree. E be like say na this matter na dey happen for this our celebrity. So this Mr. Kwabena. So wetin na think for this matter? Because all of us know say celebrity, they know too they even stay for marriage. And marriage no dey too last like that. All of us sef know as they go for Nigeria. Say all these kind of people, even Ghana sef, today they don't marry, they don't live. Even Church Hill, Now so himself marry, leave the wife, go marry another person, another celebrity. The thing no dey even last. All of us now after 3 months now we go hear one news story. Or after the person don born, turn to baby mama, case don close. The man sef don go find another person wey him go marry. Now so Davido, he show Chioma everywhere. Everybody know this Chioma, use Chioma sing. Wetin no buy for this Chioma? Buy motor, assurance, do everything for am. But last where we hear, na baby mama things o, you don go rent house, drop Chioma for somewhere. So maybe na the same thing na dey even happen to this man. But lastly, him come talk say any of him ex or any of the woman wey talk say him no dey faithful, say na God na him go punish that person, say na God na him go handle that person. Oga, why you come dey swear for them now? Wetin happen wey you dey swear? Na your guilty conscience now na him come dey affect you. Abi wetin dey happen wey dey cause them say if them talk say everybody get their own opinion, they get wetin they see wey they feel like for your body and something wey they hate. If it be say you dey do something as you don see yourself as Mr. Perfect, I no dey blame you, but as you see yourself as Mr. Perfect, them say they fit see something wey be say they no like, or maybe you know dey too dey house, they give them the thing wey they want, that thing wey they find, you know they dey house as you dey always move go sing from here to here. Them sef they want that thing every day and you know dey as woman na you know they go outside go dey find this thing. Anyways, as I dey live now with this Kwabena story, make una no forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel as we get better story for una. Make una stay tuned for more stories.